Hi children, welcome to science class. Now I am going to take lesson 7, Matter and Materials. What is matter in science? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass or weight. Matter is all around us, or everything around us is matter. When we look around us, we see tables, chairs, books, animals, birds, water, and many more things. All these are made up of matter. What is material? The substance used to make something is called a material. When an object is designed and made, it is important to choose the best material for that job. Some examples of materials are metal, plastic, wood, glass, etc. An object is made of different materials. For example, chairs and tables are objects. It is made of plastic, wood and metal. Wood pulp is the raw material from which paper is made. Materials have certain properties such as strength, color, hardness, etc. These properties decides for which product they can be used. What are natural materials? Natural materials are materials that come from plants, animals, and rocks. States of matter. An easily observed property of matter is its state. Matter can exist in one of the three main states: solid, liquid, and gas. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. A molecule is two or more atoms joined tightly together. The number and kinds of atoms in a molecule and the way they are arranged determine what substance it makes. For example, a molecule made of two oxygen atoms joined to one carbon atom forms carbon dioxide. Here one helium atom, one hydrogen molecule, a water molecule has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Here you can see elements and compounds. A molecule of hydrogen H2 is an element. A molecule of oxygen O2. It is also an element. A molecule of water H2O compound. A molecule of carbon dioxide CO2. It is a compound. A molecule may consist of two atoms of the same element or many atoms of different elements. Molecules are so small that they are not visible through our naked eyes. Molecules of matter are constantly moving. The arrangement of the molecules determines the state of the matter. In solids, the molecules are closely packed. A solid will retain its shape. The particles in solids are not free to move around. What is a solid? A solid is a state of matter with fixed shape and volume. Particles are closely packed so they can vibrate but not move. Solids are rigid. They cannot be compressed. Why solids have definite shape? Because the molecules in solids are closely packed. Liquids. Liquid matter is made of more loosely packed particles, or molecules are less closely packed than in solids. Liquids occupy a definite space, but they do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Particles can move within the liquid. The limited amount of space between the particles of liquid means that liquids have only very limited compressibility. Liquids flow from higher to lower level. So what are the characteristics of liquid? Liquids have fixed volume but not fixed shape. Particles are free to move but are still attracted to each other. Water and milk are examples of liquid. Gaseous matter is composed of particles packed so loosely that it has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. The gas can be compressed. They can move freely. Gas is the state in which matter expands to occupy the volume and shape of its container. Empty space between the particles is more. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen are all gases at room temperature. Gases have weight and it takes up space. The three states of matter are the three distinct forms. Change of state of matter. Matter can change from one state to another when heat energy or thermal energy is absorbed or released. This is known as change of state. If enough heat is added, a solid can become liquid and liquid can become gas. Matter can exist in different states. For example, water can exist in all the three states. The three states of water can be interchanged on heating or cooling. For example, ice is a solid. Ice melts on heating and turns into water, a liquid. Water when heated forms water vapor, which is a gas. When water is cooled, it changes into ice. It is a solid. When ice melts, it converts into water, a liquid. Another example, wax is a solid. On heating, it melts and becomes a liquid. It becomes solid wax when it is cooled. So, we can say that matter can change its state from one form to the other on heating or cooling. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.